So welcome back 8A group in maths algebra part chapter number 1 we have completed. Now second chapter is geometry. Heading is parallel line. There are different definition of parallel line. What is the meaning of parallel line? So before parallel line, if two lines intersect each other, there will be a one common point. P lies on L only, L also, on M also. On M also P is there, on L also P is there. So if there is a one common point between two lines, it is said to be intersecting line. Now reversible. In two lines, when there is no common point, it is said to be parallel. Definition 1. 3 definition I will give. Definition number 1. When two lines do not intersect each other, do not cut each other, are said to be parallel. If they intersect, there is a one common point. If parallel, there is no common point. In between two lines, there is no common point, then that two lines said to be parallel. Two definition I have given. First definition. When there is no common point, that two lines are said to be parallel. When there is no common point, parallel. Not intersecting, parallel. Third definition. First definition is what? Not intersecting. Two lines are parallel. Second definition. When there is no one common point, it is said to be parallel. Then third definition. The distance between two lines are always equal. So when the distance between two lines are equal end to end, equal distance anywhere, like a railway track, distance between two lines are same at every position, end to end, are said to be parallel. So this is the definition, these three are the definitions of parallel line. Then one more. For any line, if a single line intersect two lines, if one line intersect two lines, then this line is said to be a transversal line. They cut two different lines into two different points. Whose mic is on? Voice is coming. When two lines intersect, Arshad Khan, your speaker is on. When two lines intersect by a single line, that single line is said to be transversal, and transversal intersect two lines into two different points. Now come again. Sujal Thorat, your speaker is on. Sujal. These all are recording, you just see. Now, when two lines intersect each other, there will be four angles. Start from anywhere. 1, 2, 3, 4. When two line and one transversal are there, intersecting line are there, there are 8 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When two lines intersect each other, 4 angles will form. If two line and one transversal means what? It intersect two line into two different point. At that time you will get 8 number of angles. From these 8 number of angle, we will see a different pair. So here only I drew another. Eight angles I have written in A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now, number, name, then this is the shape, type, number of pair. Name. First, corresponding angle. Corresponding angle are always of F shape, then Z shape, then C shape, then X shape, then Y shape. Z means alternate. C means interior. X means vertically opposite angle. Linear angle. Type. These are always congruent. These are always congruent or same. This is total 180. Means supplementary. This is congruent. Total 180. Linear 180, supplementary. Complementary means total 90, supplementary means total 180. Number of pair, F pair you will find 4, Z you will find only 2, C you will find only 2, vertically 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, 8 pairs. Now colorful we will see this. Now see, when two lines are there and one transversal are there, total 8 angle will be formed. From that 8 angle, we have to find out the pairs. Then someone is calling, that is why the network is going. No, it's okay. Now corresponding, name is corresponding, but in this you have to find out F shape. F. See, this is F shape. So in this angle and this angle, so C and G, C and G, 1. This also F shape, D and H. Here D and H. This also F shape, so B and F. This side also F shape, so A and E. And these are always congruent. These and these are always congruent. These and these are always congruent. These and these are always congruent. So these are corresponding. You have to find out F shape in this. Now Z shape. See Z shape. This is Z. This angle, this angle. So D angle, F angle. Like this is also Z. So C angle, E angle. There are two Z only, and both are equal. This equal to this equal to this. This is Z shape. See, shape, it is not given into the textbook that I am giving. That is my method. Very easily to find. Corresponding they will say. So ask in the exercise we will do. So you have to find out F shape. With 3 alphabet also next example I am taking. Then alternate means Z. 1, 2, 3, 1 angle. 1, 2, 3, this second angle. So F pair there are 4. Z pair there is only 2. Now interior. Interior means C. So this you can find C, this you can find C. So C and F. And this is also C. So D and E. But now both total of this plus this always 180. Suppose it is 80. So this is 100. Suppose it is 60. So this is 180. 120. Like this. Suppose it is 50. This is 130. Total will be 180. That is supplementary. See, this and these are congruent. This is supplementary, means this plus this 180, this plus this 180. Now vertically opposite. It is very easy. This part I am drawing again, ABCD wala. ABCD. So this and this vertically opposite, X, this and this, X, now this and this. So one time A is equal to C, A is equal to C, then B is equal to D. Here also EG, but opposite, E and G equal, H and F equal. X you have to find out, X. Now linear pair on a single line, two angle, half. On a single line, this is a transversal, so 1, 2, neighboring, 1, 2. It is a half circle is 180, supplementary. So there are 8 pairs, 8 pairs. So A plus B is 180, B plus C 180, C plus D 180, D plus A 180. ABCD, A plus B, B plus C, C plus D. EFGH, E plus F, F plus G, G plus H. Jagdev, whose mic is on? Remove. EF, FG, GH, then HE. See, you are breaking my link. I said don't make your mic on. Why you are speaking in between? You are breaking my link. Some students are purposely coming for that only, to disturb the teacher, to disturb the student. EF, FG, GH, HE. Eight pair. Now exactly like slowly we will find out from 3 alphabet. This I have given direct angle. Now with next we will find out these are the measurement given, means angle, how much is the angle. Now we will find out actual name of the from 3 line in 3 alphabet, the name of angle. Then we will go to the exercise. Now this is very important part, and shape name I have given. From the shape name you have to find out where it is. Two lines are parallel. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. All corner name I have given. Now stepwise. first. Corresponding angle. Corresponding arc shape F. If it is F, so from here and from here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Like that you have to give the name. So first, you can see this F. So 1, 2, 3. CBE. From here, FEH. Pair number 1. Now this is F. From here, 1, 2, 3. ABE. Pair number 2, 1, 2, 3. DEH. Now third F. This is F. From here, 1, 2, 3. FEB. From here, CBG. Now change. Fourth pair. This is F. So from here and from here. DEB. ABG. One, two, three, four, done. Now alternate angle. A part, B part. That is of Z shape. Now I will find Z shape in this. So where is the Z shape? See this. And for Z shape, from here 1, 2, 3. From here 1, 2, 3. So from here ABE, first pair. 1, 2, 3. FEB. B. Is it okay? Okay, now second Z. Second Z. From here, CBE. DEB. Alternate angle only 2. Z shape. Shape you have to keep in mind. So from that very easily you can pick up. When you can learn how to pick up from the diagram, then this chapter is damn easy for you. Third. Interior angle, that is C. This is C. In C, from here 1, 2, 3. From here 1, 2, 3. So from here and from here. CBE. FEB, because it is not equal, supplementary. So this side. ABE, ABE, DEB. One, two, three, done. Now vertically opposite. Yes, wait. From here network is okay. Now it is okay. From here it is okay. From your side I think network problem is there. Okay. So wait. Automatically it will be clear. Now A group, B group, A group corresponding F shape, B group alternate Z shape, interior angle C shape. Now vertically opposite angle, that is X. So from here 1 2 3, from here 1 2 3. So X, if it is X, so this and this angle. So ABG, EBC, ABG, EBC, ABG, EBC. These are equal. If this is 60, this is 60. First pair done, second pair. So this angle, GBC. GBC opposite ABE. Third, fourth. Now this is lower part. This and these are vertically opposite. When you will cross this, so this and this. Opposite. DEB. DEB opposite. HEF or FEH you can write. Correct. Now fourth pair of vertically opposite. DEH. This is DEH, FEB. Vertically opposite, 4 pair. Now for linear there are 8 pairs. A, B, C, D, E group. That is Y shape. Y also you can remember, and neighboring also you can remember. This plus this plus this plus this, 1 2 3 4. So better I will give the name. First, second. So first plus second neighboring. So you can see it is Y. And second and third, see you can see Y. Third and fourth, see you can see Y. Fourth and fifth, so you can see Y. Like that every time you will get Y. So neighboring. First, second, third, fourth. So first plus second. First is ADG plus neighboring. First, second, GBC. Second, GBC. Third, CBE. third, fourth, ABE. ABG, GBC, GBC, CBE, CBE, ABE. Now ABE, ABG. First plus second, first plus second, second plus third, third plus fourth, fourth plus one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 done. 4 pair. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Here also 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 6. So D, E, B. 5 plus 6. What is the name of 6? D, E, F. So 6 repeat. 7th, F, E, H. 7th repeat. Plus 8, D, E, H. Now 7th, 8th repeat. Plus 1st, or plus 5th, D, E, B. So in Y shape, total 180. In C shape, total 180. Z, F, X are equal. C and Y are supplementary, so 180. 5 shape, 5 pair, 5 alphabet, and numbers are different. For example, first pair corresponding means F shape. F shape you will get 4 in this diagram. 4 pair. Second one alternate means Z. Z you will find only 2. Third interior C. C also you will find only 2 pair. 1, 2, 3 and fourth. First corresponding, then alternate, then interior, now vertically opposite. X, opposite. 4 pair you will get. Fifth, linear. On a single line, neighboring 2 angles are said to be linear. So there are 8 pairs. Interior and linear are supplementary. The rest of 3 are equal. Better you take one screenshot so you will get idea. This is the cream part of the chapter, that to find angles from the diagram. What? So previous example what I have taken, direct instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I have written ABCD here. So directly that you have to pick up. But if it is O is here, so G, B, C is O, like that. So in 3 alphabet, in single alphabet, both the example I have given. Now I will go to the exercise. We will solve that problem. At that time you will come to know that this part, it is a cream part, it is a main center point, summary part of this chapter number 2. So better you write if you want to write, if you want to copy, if you want to take the screenshot, you can take, because this in textbook they have not given shape wise. If you will find shape wise, no, it is damn easy for you. In textbook they have not mentioned anywhere that you can find this type of the diagram in this way, this pair, this method. Directly they have shown which 2 angles are linear, which 2 angles are interior, which 2 pair are corresponding, which 2 are alternate. So he is coming in Anurag sir's class, not in previous class, because already second lecture is started. They all are Maharaja. Anytime they wake up, anytime they join, any link they join in any standard, any division, any subject they are joining. Some of the students after 15-16 days also they don't know which subjects are going on, what day, what time. Okay, if you have taken screenshot then it is okay. Otherwise I'll send you the video. Don't worry. And I am taking maths in 8 A and B both. So both the time I am taking the this recording. I am doing recording. So both recording you will get. Don't worry. Very good example given. 2.1. Now questions are, these are the diagram corresponding and interior of corresponding angle for angle P, corresponding angle of P, corresponding angle of Q, corresponding angle of R, corresponding angle of S, लो अभी कौन आया है? Interior angle of L, S, W. Here interior angle first and second. B. Corresponding means F. So 4. Interior angle only 2. Here half pair given, half you have to find out. In this side full pair you have to find out. Now as per the name, Corresponding means F. So with P, who will make F? This is F. So with P, A. Corresponding means find out F with that angle. Q is this. So I will write this, no, it will become F. So it is B. R. R means this. So I will extend this, it becomes F. So C. S. This is S. So I will extend this, it become so angle D. This is the best way. You draw the diagram with light pencil, you try that shape, and the covering part is your pen. Interior means C shape. S is there. S is there. So what I can do this. So A. W is there. W I think wrong I will write. PQRS. Sorry, it is XYZ. It is my mistake. Okay, corresponding to this it is okay. Wait, XYZ. X, Y, Z, W. So wherever A, there I can replace W. Wherever B, I can replace X. Wherever C, I can replace Y. Wherever D, I can replace Z. Okay, now interior means C. So S and W. W and S. For S, W is interior. For W, if this is given, you will complete this. If this is given, you will complete this. So for S, W. For W, S. These are interior angle. Now very important part. Interior. Interior means C. So this you can see C. C plus H. You can write measure. This plus this. So they want pair only, that's it. Angle C and angle H. Interior C shape C. Now another B and D. Now corresponding again F. So now this F. So this and this H D. No need to write this because it is direct measurement. Ulta E and A. This side I have taken. Now this F B. Now this CNG. HD, H only one, E only one, AE. Then the B only one, BF, CG. Now interior. This is interior, this is interior. Wait. Interior now alternate. Alternate means Z shape. So this means EC. I have taken this Z. Now I will take this Z. BH. See one Z, second Z, BH. So 2 pair, 4 pair, 2 pair. In exam, suppose they will not give this, they will give ABC. So in previous example, I have explained deeply how to get the answer with 3 alphabet. In this, I have given how to get the answer with angular measurement. So 2 different type questions they can ask. Among 5 pair, corresponding means F, alternate means Z, vertically opposite means X, interior means C, linear means Y. From the shape with different color or with light pencil you have to draw the shape. Which 2 angles are occupied? Write the name. And even I have given how to write. Suppose corresponding, so it is see now I am doing bacha. Now it is okay. I have sent the message. You are not reading the message in group. Don't ask. Science period already half gone. What? In starting also I have mentioned that it will continue. In message, in group also I have sent the message it will continue. Then you are asking. Vijay Kumar is asking, I think. Wait now wait, what I want to show. If it is corresponding, I know you must be tired of almost 1 hour, so please wait for 5-6 minutes for summary. Your mobile become hot, your frequency is weak and all that. Lots of technical problem are there online. I am also suffering. Focus, sometimes focus not working, sometimes net not working, sometimes some type of USB not working. See, you are observing only whiteboard, but there are lots of things I am utilizing. Recorder is there, web camera is there, laptop is there. See, there are lots of USB connected with the mobile, connected with the long wire. See, long wire of this microphone, speaker, table, this. So there are lots of things. So if any one will not work, it will disturb. So have patience. Max to max facility I am providing you. corresponding means F shape you have to find, and how to write name from here ending 1 2 3, from here 1 2 3 F. Then alternate means Z, from here 1 2 3, from here 1 2 3. So two pair will complete. C means interior, third interior. Someone mic is on. C from here and from here. Then X. So from here 1 2 3, from here 1 2 3. Then Y. Any type Y, like this also. So from here 1 2 3, from here 1 2 3. So by F you can identify corresponding angle. By Z you can identify alternate angle. By C shape you can identify interior angle. By X you can find out vertically opposite angle. By Y you can identify linear pair. Vertically opposite and linear pair are not mentioned in the chapter, but in 9th and 10th it is very important in theorem, give reason, proof. So I have introduced with these three. So total in this chapter I have given you 5 shape, 5 pair. Now F means corresponding. So there are 4F always, 4F. Alternate means Z. There are only 2 Z in this. 1, 2. Max 2, max 2. Interior. There are only 2 interior. Max 2, max 2 C. In linear, there are 8 pairs of linear. 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 4, 4 plus 1. Down. 5 plus 6, 6 plus 7, 7 plus 8, 8 plus 5. 4 plus 4, 8. Vertically opposite. So A and C vertically opposite, B and D vertically opposite, E and G vertically opposite, H and F vertically opposite. So those who have attended this full 1 hour lecture know this 5 concept clear with the shape. With single alphabet how to identify the pair, and with 3 alphabet end to end how to write the name of the angle, by that to make the pair. If these 2 different things in all 5 shape you can learn, you can identify very easily from the diagram, means your second chapter is done perfectly with the concept. And my dear student, maths is a subject of practice. This year, which 10th batch I have started, that is my 35th batch of my life. Because before these 25 years I have done in Malad, before that 3 years I have done in Sardar Patel school, before that 3 years I have done Kapol High School, Nala Sopara, and during that 7th year I have done part time also. So every time I used to teach 10th standard. So this is my 35th batch of the life. Until now, till today also, 1 hour I am doing work on maths to identify new tricks, to identify new calculation, to identify new methods for higher standard also. And I have created YouTube also, that you all have to subscribe. You will get new ideas, my short motivational story also. So it is a subject of practice. How much practice you will do, no, your concept will be clear, your mark will increase, your knowledge will increase, then you will love the maths, subject maths. If you will do sum wise, no, if you will do this sum, so the similar sum you can't do, no, do concept wise, do topic wise. So if one sum, if you know, if from the concept, don't speak anything in between, like. So it is a subject of practice. You must have learned you must have heard the name of Indian legendary sportsman Professor Dhyan Chand. He was the best, top one, world top one hockey player. He used to stay nearby रेलवे ट्रैक के पास झोपड़पट्टी में रहते थे. तो हॉकी प्रैक्टिस के लिए तो बहुत बड़ा ग्राउंड चाहिए. आजू बाजू ग्राउंड नहीं. हॉकी पसंद है, हॉकी में सेलेक्ट होना है, हॉकी की प्रैक्टिस करनी, कहाँ करें. छोटा सा बॉल, टेनिस बॉल से भी छोटा होता है हॉकी का बॉल. दैट बॉल एंड विद द स्टिक ही यूज टू प्रैक्टिस ऑन अ रेलवे ट्रैक. जो ट्रैक होती है ना, ट्रैक to maintain the ball on a track 2 kilometer up 2 kilometer down without falling the ball from the track. बॉल गिरने नहीं देते थे एक सेकंड तक. मेंटेन करना, दैट इज अ टफ प्रैक्टिस. एंड ही won gold medal in the Olympic for India. So practice, need practice. One day 100% you will be success. So maths is a subject of practice. You need very high and hard practice. So do every day at least 1 hour maths. अभी से प्रैक्टिस करो. 8, 9, 10 में प्रैक्टिस की, मैथ्स में फुल मार्क्स आएंगे 10 स्टैंडर्ड में बोर्ड में. दैट इज माई गारंटी. एक भी दिन खुद की शादी हो ना, उसी दिन भी करना है. बोलो. और तो बात जाने दो. बीमार हो उस दिन भी बैठ के करना है. और बोलो. So time comes sometime bad, sometime comes sometime good. So in all regularity, discipline, practice, then you can achieve your goal of your life. Then you can reach to the top manzil which you have dreamed. And now in 8th standard, it is a time to dream that what I will become after 10 years. When I was in 8th standard, at that time I have kept my mind. I have decided finally that I will become maths teacher number 1 after 10 years. And I have started my journey. 35 batch. This is the 35th batch of 10th standard SSC board. And I am working in different board also. ICSE, CBSE, IG, IB. And I am the permanent member of SSC board also. So practice every day. Till now I am doing the practice every day for my student, for good development. Okay. So you please reply your review. मेरी मोटिवेशन आपको कैसी लगी. यू जस्ट गिव फीडबैक, तो मुझे पता चले कि मेरा वर्ड बच्चों के दिल के आसपास जा रहा है भी कि नहीं, कि ऊपर से ये टाइम पास हो रहा है, सर बकवास कर रहे हैं, सुनाई देता है नहीं देता है, दिखाई देता है नहीं देता है. तो मुझे भी पता चले कि मेरे बच्चे मेरे वर्ड कितने ध्यान से, कितने दिल से, कितनी लगन से सुनते हैं और जीवन में उतारते. अगर आप जीवन में उतारोगे, आप सक्सेस होगे. वही मेरी सक्सेस है. योर सक्सेस इज माई सक्सेस. फॉर एवरी टीचर, इफ दैट स्टूडेंट गेट सक्सेस, दैट टीचर इज सेड टू बी सक्सेस. ओके, आई वांट टू बिकम सक्सेस बाय यू पीपल ओनली. थैंक यू वेरी मच. विल मीट नेक्स्ट थर्सडे, सेम डे, सेम टाइम. बाय. अरे डायरेक्टली क्या टेक स्क्रीनशॉट बच्चा, स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ मैसेज एंड दिस. फ्रॉम दैट ट्राई टू आइडेंटिफाई. उसीलिए खुद का नाम रखो. ये बाजू वाले का नाम रखते ना तो फिर पता नहीं चलता है कि कौन है. आपकी अटेंडेंस जाएगी. यू आर द रिस्पॉन्सिबल.